class? Children, all are safe and fine at home? Take care, okay? Yes. Let's continue with our class, children. That is with the Swarakshar. Swarakshar is from A to Aha, which are all A, E, U, R, A, I, O, Au, Aha. These are the Swarakshar. That means vowels. Next, these are Vyanjanakshar. That is from Ka to Nya. Okay. Understood? Yes. See here. Kha, kha, gha, gha, na, cha, cha, jha, jha, nya, ta, tha, dha, dha, na, tha, tha, dha, dha, na, pa, pha, bha, ba, ma. Next, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sa, sa, ha, ksha, tr, jna. Okay. These are the Vyanjanakshar. So children, you have studied till Va, right? Yes. Today you are going to learn 7 letters, children. Okay? Yes. Next, children, we are going to learn the letter Sha. Sha say what it is? Shaljama. What do you mean by Shaljama? Shaljama means beetroot or turnip. Okay, beetroot. So, beetroot you know as it is a vegetable. And beetroot, what are the benefits of the beetroot? The beetroot will improve our blood pressure and the flow of the blood will be good. Okay, and it contains vitamin C. Okay. So, Sha say Shaljama. Next one, it is Shatkona. What do you mean by Shatkona? Shatkona. Shatkona means it is a hexagon shape. The hexagon shape is called as Shatkona. Okay, this will come under mathematics. Okay, you can see the polygon which has 6 sides. Can you see here from here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sides. Okay. That is called as Shatkona. Okay. That means next one, children, Sa. Sa say what it is? Safera. Safera means Havadiga. Okay. Safera means Havadiga. He is also said as snake charmer. Okay. Snake charmer means the person who will hypnotize the snake with the help of this instrument. Okay, that is called as pungi. What? Pungi. When he starts playing this pungi, the snake will get hypnotized. It will feel little bit drowsiness. Okay. So he is called as Safera. Okay, Safera. That means Havadiga. Havadiga means snake charmer. Okay. Understood? What does he does? He is a person who will hypnotize the snake by playing that pungi. Okay. With that, the snake will get hypnotized. Next one, Halwai. What do you mean by Halwai? Halwai means Banasiga. Okay. That means confectioner. Okay. He is the person who sells chocolate and candies. Okay. Who prepares and sells candies and chocolates. He is called as Banasiga. Next one, Ksha. Ksha say Kshatriya. Kshatriya means it is a member of the second great Hindu caste. Okay. It is the member. It is the second member of the great Hindu castes. Okay. He is called as Kshatriya. Next one is Tra. Trishul. Okay, Trishula. What do you mean by Trishula, children? You can see. Okay, Trishula. Why it is going to has three like parts? 1, 2, 3. Okay, Trishula. Okay, it is the symbol of Hindus where Lord Shiva will be having. Okay, he is holding in his hand. Okay, that is Trishula. Trishula, it is a said as trident, a divine symbol commonly used as one of the symbols in Hindu. It is a symbol of Hindu that is called as Trishula. Next one, children, Jna. Jna se Jnani. What? Jna se Jnani. What do you mean by Jnani? Jnani means sage. Okay, Jnani means sage. Sage is a person who is used to describe someone who possesses a self. Okay, the higher knowledge or the possession. Okay, he is the person. Jnani means he is a sage who teaches the higher knowledge. Okay, in the olden days there was the Jnani. Next one is Shra. Shra say Shramik. Shramik means the workman, the person who work. Okay, like the person who works as a manual labor. Okay, especially in the construction factory industry. See, he is cutting the wood. Okay, the person who works in the manual way, he is said as Shramika. Okay, understood? Yes, children, we shall move on to the writing part, children. Today, we are going to write the first letter, that is Sha. How do you write, children? See here. From the top, like 2 you are going to write. See here. Starting from here. Like same like 2 and touching the line down. Okay. See here. From here. Like 2 and this line to touch the third line. Okay, like this. Okay, like 2, but this tail you are going to draw till the third line. Okay, next second part here, same like that, like then you are going to draw one line, standing line to the side. Okay, see here, and a standing line. Okay, like this. Yes, next here we are going to complete that letter. See here, sh, then a sleeping line, same like 2, one standing line and a sleeping line. Okay, like this. Sh. Okay, understood? Next one is, you have finished Sha now. Okay, Sha. How? See here, just one curve like this. Okay, just you are going to draw one curve. Okay, like this. Next, here down, you have drawn a curve like this. Here go up and come down. Okay, understood? Yes. See here, like this, like you, then you will draw one line down. Okay, okay, you're going to write like this. Next, here, see here, same what you have written there, go up, come down, then one line at the center and a sleeping line. Okay, see here, like you come down, draw one center and one sleeping line. Like this you're going to draw. Okay, you will write. Next one, children, sa. How do you write sa? See here, same you have written, no. See, like to come down and one line like this. Okay, one line, it should touch, see here, like this, and it should, from the center you will draw one sleeping line. Okay, like this. Next, see here, same, and you have drawn a sleeping line, then you will draw one standing line. Okay, see here, sleeping line and the standing line, right? Sleeping line and the standing line. Like two, you are going to write a sleeping line and a standing line. Here we are going to complete the letter sa. See here, sleeping line, standing line, and again a sleeping line. Okay. So, okay. Next, children, it is ha. How do you write? See here. One small standing line. From here you will make one curve and come little bit down like this. Okay. One standing line, small standing line, and a curve like this, little bit down you will bring that line. Okay, like this. Okay, next here, see here, one standing line, one curve, you have come little bit down. From here you will just draw one curve here. Okay, understood? Yes, one curve down from this end to the downwards. Okay, this is ha. Okay, this is ha. Next, here we are going to complete this. See here, one standing line down and from here like this. Okay, and a sleeping line. Sleeping ha. Ha. Okay, understood? Yes, see here, one sleeping line, then go up, take a loop, come down. Okay, the sleeping line, go up, take a loop and come down like this. Sleeping line, a loop and little bit slant. Okay, next it is what you have done. See here, a sleeping line you have done, then you have gone up, take a loop. You have come down and just make a tail here. Okay. Sleeping line, go up, make a tail, sorry, loop, come down and a tail. Like this. Sleeping line, take a loop, come down and next we are going to complete. See here, a sleeping line. From here, take a loop, come down, a tail and a standing line and a sleeping line. Okay. Ksha. Like this, a tail and a standing line and a sleeping line. Take a tail, take and a standing line and a sleeping line. Okay, this is ksha. Ksha. Okay. Next one, children, thra. Okay, that is how do you write? See here. From here, come down. Okay. See, just from the second line you will bend to the third line like this. Okay. Then here down. See here, you have done this. Then you're going to draw one standing line and a small line. Okay. See here, like thumb and one small line. Okay, like this. Again, see here, we have drawn the curve, one standing line and a sleeping line. Thra. Like this also you can write thra, or the same way what I have thought. Okay. Like this also you can write, no problem. Okay, throw. Next one is Jna. Okay, how? See here. First, you draw one standing line like this. Then one sleeping line here. Okay, one standing line and a small sleeping line. Okay, standing line and a sleeping line. Next, see here what you have done. You have drawn one standing line. Here you have given a small sleeping line. From there, what you are going to do, from the down, take a curve and a tail. Okay, see here, standing line, small sleeping line like this, and from here you will come down curve like two only. Okay, standing line, sleeping line, here one like two. Okay, but to the downwards. Yeah. Okay, next, see here, you have standing line, a sleeping line and a like two and a sleeping line. Standing line, small sleeping line, come down, take a loop and a sleeping line. This is Jna. Okay. And a sleeping line. Jna. Okay, you will write. Children, here you are going to write the Swarakshar, that is from A to Aha, and the Vyanjanakshar, that is from Ka to Jna. Okay, while writing, repeat and write, children. Okay, understood? Children, with this we are going to complete our Hindi portions, children. But you have to write every day and practice, otherwise you will forget. Okay, so you have to write every day. Thank you, children. Take care.